Hi, my name is Tammy. I live in Windward, and we had a retaining wall that was about 25 years old. It was railroad ties, it was rotting, and we're about 5 years past redoing it. So we needed a retaining wall and a driveway. So I went out and I found retaining walls and concrete that did retaining walls and driveways because I wanted someone that did both because I didn't want to deal with two different people. And Andrea at Retaining Walls and Concrete has been fabulous. They handle all of the permits. They deal with the homeowners and the city. Windward homeowners, it took a while, but once they approved, then Andrea went to the city, got it all approved, and then they finally started. And once they got going, it went really fast. First off, the wall happened. It was demolished, and then it was put back in, and then the driveway happened, and it is all beautiful. But Andrea and all the folks at Retaining Wall and Concrete were amazing to work with. That once the project got started, after all the permits, it was amazing how fast it went, and I loved watching the whole process. And so now we have an amazing wall and driveway, and we could not be happier. So if you're looking for someone to do a driveway or a wall, I highly recommend Retaining Walls and Concrete.